Alright guys, so maybe you guys seen it floating around in my other videos, but I picked up a set of cheap OEM wheels for the Jetta for the time being. I want to get a nice set of wheels for it later, but for the time being, I definitely need to get rid of those current wheels on there because those look well, I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, so these are Beetle Take Five wheels. Same specs as the Santa Monica or Monte Carlos, but you know, they just have that side cover. Anyways, I bought them originally like this, painted black here, and I want to finish them, or basically just strip the black paint and finish it like this. So I already got two done, one, two there, working on my third one now, and this is how it originally comes with. So I don't want these little, I don't know what you call this, insert covers here. I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, just like that. So all I'm doing is using brake cleaner to actually just wipe the paint off. The original paint is actually still under here. It's still really good. So it looks like they just painted over the original wheel as it is. So the clear coat is all still there and whatnot too. So let me show you how I'm doing this. So to take these covers off, it's just a 5mm Allen screw. Just shoot that out. Shoot this one out. And then you just lift it up and it'll just come right up. Oh, this one's not all it is. It's come up just like that. So I'm taking all those out. And then like I said, I'm wiping a brake cleaner. Let me show you how that's coming off too. Alright, so like I said, all I'm doing is using brake cleaner. Just spray it on there and wipe it off. This comes off pretty decent.
Visible tail. I guess your visible tail data.
Yeah. Okay, excuse me, Dad's gonna spray this, okay?
Ow!
See there? Paint's coming off already. But I have to use a lot of rags because the paint just stays on the rag. But yeah, basically doing that. And then it starts to get a little bit tedious as I get inside of the spoke here, and especially in the air where it bolts down there. But I'm gonna finish all of these and then swap the tires, because the tires on those wheels right now is much newer and much more life compared to these ones. And then I'm gonna get those thrown on. So let me finish cleaning up all the last two wheels and then show you what they look like after. All right, I just finished cleaning these wheels up, taking off all of that old black paint on all four. Now I'm ready to put on the car, but like I said, first I want to swap the tires from those onto these because the ones on the car right now is pretty new compared to these. So let me take off those wheels and throw everything in the truck and then head to the tire shop. Just got all of the wheels in this really dirty truck and ready for the tire swap. So heading out to the tire shop now. All right guys, just got back from the tire shop for the tire swap. Now let's get these wheels thrown on the Jetta. All right, guys, wheels are finally on. Much better than these guys here. See these little aftermarket drift rims? These are gonna be up for sale once I clean them up, but OEM plus, much better. And let's finish it off with these center caps. There's that one, and the front. Here we go. Way better. Yep. He's gonna be for temporary until I get some different set of wheels, but for now these are much better. Got these for really cheap, so I just wanted to really get rid of these wheels off of that car. So like I said earlier in the video, these are off of a Volkswagen Beetle. Basically the same specs as the Santa Monica's / Monte Carlos, which are 17x7, offset 38. So fitment is good. The only difference is that these, you know, they have that little inner spoke covers, and of course I'm not gonna put it on here, but they actually look pretty good like that without the inner spoke covers. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you think about these wheels. I don't really see much people running these, but I'm liking it now. Just temporary until I get a set of wheels that I really wanted and like. But after I get some coilovers. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you think that these wheels are much better than the ones that came on it when I bought it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.